National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for Wayne County in Middle Tennessee until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:17 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Pickwick Landing State Park, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Collingwood around 8:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Waynesboro around 8:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Cypress and Lutz. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.